Arrowmuse Technologies is an AI systems company that builds custom, domain-specific intelligent agents for enterprises. We specialize in what we call agentic AI, not just chatbots that answer questions, but autonomous systems that think, decide, and act across complex business workflows. From vision to impact, Arrowmuse's role in Volza's success. Problem 1. Manual, multi-step workflows. You offer 29 specialized tools: buyer intelligence, company profiler, supplier intelligence, contact finder, advanced search. Users navigate between interfaces, manually apply filters, export to Excel, and analyze separately. A simple task, finding new buyers in a specific market segment, takes 2 to 2.5 hours for something that should be a 15-minute decision. Problem 2. High expertise barrier. Your power users extract tremendous value, but they're outliers. Smaller teams struggle to maximize the platform because the learning curve is steep and the workflows are complex. Problem 3. Reactive, not proactive intelligence. Users search when they already have problems. They miss early warning signals, like a supplier losing major customers or pricing shifts indicating competitive pressure, because continuous monitoring isn't humanly feasible. The result? Your users spend more time searching than deciding, and your incredible dataset is being significantly underutilized. This is where AI agents change everything. We're not talking about a chatbot. We're talking about specialized AI assistants that understand trade workflows, orchestrate multi-step tasks, and deliver actionable recommendations in seconds. Imagine if every Volza user had their own trade intelligence analyst, available instantly, never tired, continuously monitoring thousands of signals. That's what we're proposing: 12 specialized AI agents integrated directly into Volza, each solving a specific business workflow. Let me show you concretely how this works. Current workflow. User opens buyer intelligence, manually filters by product category, geography, import volume, exports results. Opens company profiler to check payment reliability and supplier count, one by one. Opens contact finder for decision maker details, then supplier intelligence to understand competitive positioning. Total time investment: 2 to 2.5 hours for a single buyer discovery cycle. With our AI agent, the user asks, "Find me electronics component importers in Southeast Asia importing 50,000 plus per month, growing fast, with multiple suppliers they might switch from." The agent understands intent instantly, maps product categories to HS codes, queries shipment records, company profiles, and contacts in parallel, scores buyers across 15 factors: growth rate, order volume, supplier concentration, payment history, switching signals, then returns a ranked list with context. Techno Import Singapore, 180K monthly volume, up 45% year over year. Just switched away from one Chinese supplier, paying 12 to 15% above market average. Your competitive advantage: faster turnaround time, plus decision maker contact, plus analysis of why they'd switch to you, plus a personalized outreach email draft, all in 30 seconds. Impact: 98% faster, 300 times the speed, from expert analysis to one-click query. Second example. Supplier Risk Agent, current workflow, quarterly manual reviews, pull 6 months of shipment data per supplier, check buyer concentration, analyze payment terms, look for irregularities, flag risks, 4 to 5 hours per quarter. The problem? You're blind for 90 days between reviews. One of your customers lost $250,000 when a major supplier went bankrupt without warning. With our agent, continuous monitoring. Every 24 hours, the agent analyzes all suppliers in a user's portfolio, volume trends, customer concentration, payment behavior, shipment consistency, operational signals. When risk increases, real-time alert, Shenzhen Tech Accessories risk score jumped from 42 to 68. Shipment volume down 32% over 2 weeks. They lost 2 major customers. Just requested payment term extension from net 30 to net 60. This matches historical bankruptcy patterns at 85% confidence. Then it recommends immediate actions. Video call their leadership. We've identified 3 backup suppliers with similar capacity and pricing. Here's how to diversify. Impact: 60 to 90 days advance warning instead of discovering the problem after it happens. Potential to prevent 250K plus supply chain disruptions. Let's quantify the impact. Users will save 10 to 20 hours per week, 400 to 800 hours annually. At a $50 hourly rate, that's $20,000 to $40,000 in labor cost savings per user per year. That number alone justifies upgrading to AI tiers. But the real value is decision quality improvement. AI agents analyze 15 plus factors simultaneously. Humans typically consider 5 to 6. Semantic search finds relevant results even when standard filters miss them. Result: 20 to 30% improvement in targeting accuracy. Better buyer matches. Earlier identification of supplier risk. Faster market opportunity spotting. Higher engagement too. When searching becomes instant and conversational, users query 50 to 100 times weekly instead of 5 to 10. That's 10 to 20x deeper platform engagement. Higher engagement drives higher retention. We see 40 to 50% better renewal rates for AI-enhanced features in similar platforms. Now let's talk what this means for Volza. Here's what I want to leave you with. You've built the most comprehensive trade data platform in the world. 3.5 billion records. 209 countries. Decades of institutional knowledge. But data alone isn't enough anymore. Users don't want access to more data. They want answers, insights, decisions made faster. The companies winning in B2B software right now aren't the ones with the most data. They're the ones with the best interfaces to that data. ChatGPT didn't invent AI. Figma didn't invent design tools. They won because they made complex workflows simple. That's the opportunity in front of Volza. You already have the data moat. Now build the interface moat. AI agents are that interface. Conversational, autonomous, intelligent. 98% faster workflows, $20,000 to $40,000 in annual savings per user, $2 to $5 million in incremental revenue for Volza. Competitive advantage that compounds over time. And the technology? Proven. The use cases? Clear. The ROI? Compelling. Volza didn't become the world's leading trade intelligence platform by playing it safe. You took a massive risk building a global shipment database when everyone said the data was too fragmented to collect. You were right. You transformed an entire industry. Now we're asking you to take another calculated risk. Add AI agents to your platform. Transform the user experience again. The technology works. The market wants this. The timing is perfect. Let's do it together.